Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to solve one of the questions from the Check Your Understanding quiz. It's question number 2 in quiz number 7. And the question it's asking you is, what is the mass of 1.28 times 10 to the 8th neon atoms? So basically, it's asking you to find the mass in grams of this number of atoms. So the first thing we want to do, as always, is write down what we have. So we have this number of neon atoms. And we have to come up with some kind of conversion factor to get us into grams. So one of the big concepts in this chapter, chapter 7, was introducing this idea of the concept of a mole, and how we can use moles to go between different quantities. So because we have such a large number of atoms here, it's more convenient for us to get this into something more convenient to work with, which is moles. So we know this relationship from Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of neon is going to be equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms of neon. An additional concept from this chapter was the idea of molar mass. So we know that for every 1 mole of neon, we can figure out how many grams of neon there are by taking a look at our periodic table. If you look at the periodic table and you look at the molar mass, you can see that it's 20.180 grams. So let's check out our units. So we can see we have number of atoms canceling, then we have moles of neon canceling, and we're left with grams, which is the quantity that we're interested in. So this is basically how you set this up. If you type this into a calculator, what you're going to get is 4.29 times 10 to the minus 15 grams of neon. You can see it's a really teeny tiny number. That's because, although there's quite a few atoms here, this is much less than a mole of neon, so it's going to weigh quite less than this quantity here. So that's why it comes out to be such a small number, and hopefully this should be one of your answer choices. So I hope this cleared things up for you a little bit, and if not, you can always let me know.